Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can sell ebooks on Shopify, and it will be a complete beginner video. Throughout the video I will discuss step by process in this video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we are already landed in shopify.com. This is the panel where we can sell anything in this Shopify plan. It is a platform where we can create website for us, and it is really great for e-commerce platform. So here I already have an account, so here I will just click on login. Once I click over here the login, then it will redirect me to the my admin panel, as you can see it. And this is our Shopify front end design, and we have an product on this platform. So now our main target is to sell ebooks on our Shopify store. So the process is really simple. You just need to follow some process to make it more convenient for your website. So right now you're not allowed to sell your ebooks on Shopify. So making it convenient for ebook, you just need to follow these rules. Just go over here, setting. Once you come over here, then you will find out it's called ads and sales channel. You can see it next to the market. So here you just need to click over here, and the main thing is you just need to download an apps called digital downloads in Shopify store. So just click on Shopify app store. In fact, once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the new tab where you can install any apps is it available for you. So here you can see we have a section called popular with stocks like yours. Even though we don't have any apps which will be needed in here, so that's the reason we just need to search over here. Let's search it digital downloads, and as you can see we already get some couple of suggestion over here. Just click on of them here, and here you can see I already get couple of apps which is related to digital downloads. So here I will choose this one. Here you can see it. Just go inside it, and here you can see the pricing is totally free. So without losing any penny, you are allowed to use it. So here you just need to click on, and the main thing you can see it their information section that sell digital files like ebooks, digital art, graphics, and more from your Shopify store with the digital download app. Whether you are a content creator or a business of any size, this app integrates seamlessly with your Shopify store, making it quick and simple to add digital files to new or existing products, track orders, send direct download links to customers. So I hope you understand what is the real goal of these apps. So just click on install, and installing new apps in Shopify is really easy. Here you can see it. So you just need to click on install. Once you click over here, eventually it will redirect you to the admin panel, and here you can see, let's pin it here so we can access it anytime easily. So you can see we have a couple of options under the digital download. So here orders, then second underneath the orders called setting. So once you've done, now here you can see that our products, we already add a product. Let's assume that this is a ebook. This is the ebook, and we want to add a file, so people whenever purchase this one, they can get the ebook files from that place. So how can we do it? Now you just need to come over here into the digital downloads. In fact, once you click over here, then here you will get a sections called digital download sections, and underneath the digital downloads we have these product sections. As you can see it, add digital files to any of your existing products to create a digital download. So here you can see this is our shirt. We already have only one product in our website, as you can see it, this one shirt. So making this is a digital product or ebook, we just need to click over here into the shirt name. Just click on, and then they will give you the options to add files over here. So here there is some couple of like drawback we have, that is we are not allowed to upload largest files in here. So let's select this one, and let's select open, and you can see our docs file has been uploaded, and you can see total file size. We can upload almost 5 GB over here. If you want to upload further more, then you just need to be click on, let's save it before leave the page. As you can see, the product includes a physical component. Order will be marked as unfulfilled in admin until you fulfill the physical components. Let's click on view with admin, and now here you can see this is the product we have, and this is the image, category, and many things we have in the product panel. So our work has been totally done. So next I am going to talk about, if you want to upload in a larger file, then what should you need to be do. So here you just need to come back to this palace, as you can see it, then click on Shopify App Store again. Once you click over here, then again search for digital downloads, and here you will get couple of other options. As you can see it, LTD digital downloads, then digital downloads, then big digital downloads. You just need to select one of them. So I think this one has 5-star rating, so I'm going with this one. Let's click one and let's scroll, and as you can see, the pricing is free. So here you can see the feature that is 500 MB storage, then $30 every month, unlimited license, then automatic downloaded email thank you page, order status, customer account page, point digital. Like, it will make a proper customer panel or admin panel for a customer. So here, as you can see it, if you read their description, then you will find out what is the work of this app. As you can see, sell and send digital downloads such as files, ebooks. As you can see, the word of ebooks, then videos, audios, PDF license keys through mail and download portal page, providing customer with quick access to their digital downloads while ensuring the security of your content. I hope you understand. And you can see their image. This is digital downloads, and this will be the product management sections. Then this is order management sections. Similarly, this is ebook, video, audio player. Then it has some other options that call strong customizations, then project content, easy to migrate also. So this is the feature you will get in this apps. Again, click on install, and it will similarly follow the same procedure before we did it. And here you can see, click on install. Once you click over here, it will take a while and it will be perfectly installed in here. Then again, pin it to navigation so we can access it as fast as possible whenever we will arrive in dashboard. So now you can see it will take a while to complete. So now they are telling us to complete whole procedure to fulfill all the requirement they are asking for. As you can see, to select a plan, like they are telling, if you want to go with the free one, it's good to go with the free one. If you want to go premium, then you can select a plan from that place. Then set up the thank you page. So they are telling us to set up a thank you page. Then admin to customer account page optional. These are the optional, but this one is mandatory. Once you're done, then come back to products. Here you can see this product, they are telling us to add a project. So click on add digital product, select a product, and now here you can see that our product, one product we are add in here. Just click on select, and in this way we are add our product over here. So as you can see how easy the process was. Just you need to be upload your file, and this way you can easily make your ebook to sell ebook on Shopify store. This is really simple process. I hope you will find out this video so much vulnerable for you. If you think this was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.